This is a critical reasoning question. It states that man creates things that it needs. Whenever man has need it for something, he has created devices to serve his purposes. It further states that God has hence been created by man as God was needed by man. The passage states that God serves many purposes, such as providing imaginary protection from enemies or explanations of origin of such things as good and evil, fire and wind, or life and death. Option D weakens the argument given by the author as it weakens the premise given by the author. It gives us another example of a thing which is required by man but is not created by man. Nature, like God, provides many things and serves many purposes, but nature has not been created by man. Hence, this weakens the given argument and is the correct answer. The next question is also a critical reasoning question. It talks about continuity and executives are being promoted because they are good at continuity. It says that new ideas and innovation are a good thing, but the most risk-free and correct method for organizations to follow is to follow ideas that have already been worked at. You copy them with a me too. The author says that it is hard to fault this strategy. We need to pick an option that supports the claim, which is given by the author. Option B and D support this argument. B says continuity is required to keep up with competition and even move ahead. That is why continuity will become important and executives which are good at continuity would be promoted. Option D says that new ideas waste a lot of time which can go into running things in an organization. This tells us that why organizations shy away from taking new ideas, innovations, and taking risks. Hence, the correct answer will become D, which is B and D.